Hello guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to break down everything you need to understand about lot size, what a lot size means, what a trading unit means, and how the lot size you use actually affect your losses and profit when you are trading. So this video is one of the best videos you ever get when it comes to learning about crypto lot size in trading. So if you are new to this channel, hello guys, welcome to Forex Crypto and Forex. On this channel, I mainly focus on how you and I can make money through crypto trading and Forex trading, and I share the best knowledge you need to succeed in these two industries. So if you think you want to learn more about crypto and forex trading and want to get along with every single thing I share on this channel, then one of the best places to be is my Telegram channel, and the link will be down in the video description. You can also drop your video requests and things right here on the comment section and also on my YouTube, on my Telegram channel. So without further ado, I say let's get straight to today's video, whilst I share with you every single thing you need to know about lot size. So when it comes to understanding lot size, there's no specific definition for lot size. However, we have a general word for it, which is a lot size is the particular unit of a currency you are trading. So for example, if you are trading Euro USD using a standard lot. So first of all, let me introduce to what a standard lot is. Most generally, when you start trading with any trading platform, your system is automatically set to 100,000 units of a particular currency, and 100,000 units of a particular currency is known as the standard lot, and the standard lot is often referred to as one lot. So when it comes to trading, one lot is equal to the standard trading unit of any currency pair. So for example, you are trading Euro USD, and then you are using a one lot size, meaning if you should buy any pair of this currency, you are directly buying 100,000 units of that particular currency in the market. So if you are starting with trading, one of the best advice I can give to you is that please watch this video to the very end so that you get to understand what exactly a lot is, so that you know which of the best lot to use, so you don't go and burn up your account. And one thing about using the standard lot is that every single movement in pip, so every single movement in pip, so let me say one pip, if one pip moves in the market, then it will be equal to a $10 deduction or add-on. So for example, if you are trading the standard lot size of 100,000 units of a particular currency, which is using one lot size in your broker, then once there's a single movement from, for example, let me say Euro USD market price is currently at, let me say the price is at 1.2436, and then so let's assume this is the current market price for Euro USD, and then eventually this market moves from 1.2455 to 1.2454. Then that's to tell you that if you entered a buy market, then there has been a $10 increment in your trade because you are using a standard lot size. So hope you understand. So once there's a single movement in a standard lot trade, then you are making $10 in it. However, if there's also an opposite movement in the direction you traded, then $10 will also be deducted from your trading account. That's simply what it means. So when you are trading as a beginner, please make sure to check out carefully that if you don't have enough funds in your account, do not use the standard lot size, and I'll be explaining the other type of lot size that we also have. This is one of the reasons why I see people can show you a snapshot of where all ordinary, let me say ordinary 10 pip could make them thousands of dollars. This is because they also increase their lot size. So saying 100,000 units is the standard lot doesn't mean people don't go above 100,000 trading units. People do go above it. People won't trade up to, like I've personally traded up to 20 lot size using a MetaTrader before. And then once there's a single movement here, you multiply this 20 by 10, and that's $200 per every single movement. And this is the very risky part of it. So if you are trading on a very small account, my big advice that I actually give to you is that avoid trading high lot sizes, because the higher your lot size, the higher the amount you are actually going to lose. So now the next is actually called the mini lot. So the mini lot is simply the standard lot divided by 10, which is 100,000 divided by 10 will actually give you 10,000. So the mini lot is simply just like that of the standard lot. However, over here, when you are trading with a mini lot, assuming using the same Euro USD again, I'm just going to drag it down here. So using the same Euro USD again, assuming you are trading on a mini lot. So a mini lot directly equals to that you are using a lot size of 0.1. So it's just the same as the previous trading system, whereby a standard lot equals to 1 unit. So it's simply dividing it by 10. So once you divide it by 10 to tell you that mini lot is simply trading 10,000 units of a particular currency. So if there's 1 pip movement, so over here now, hyphen 1 pip equals $1. So this simply, no matter the amount in your account, when you are trading with a mini lot, it's simply telling you that one single movement in lot size, one single pip movement will give you just $1. So this is the idea you need to understand. So from standard lot to mini lot is simply a dividend of 10. You simply divide the standard lot by 10, and whatever profit you are going to make in the standard lot, if you divide it by 10, is what you are going to make with your mini lot. So assuming you are trading Euro USD, and then you've opened a trade at Euro USD price at 1.2453. So assuming this is the current market price and you opened a buy order. So assuming you open a buy order and this order now moves from 1.245 to actually 1.2455. So in this way, if you look carefully, there has been a 2% 2 pip increment here. So for this 2 pip increment, if you are trading a mini lot, you are making just $2 in it. However, if you are trading a standard lot with this 2 pip movement, you've actually made up to $20. So that is simply it over here. So understand it from here. Mini lot equals 100,000 units of a particular currency, which directly resonates to 0.1 lot size when trading, and equals to 1 pip in it will give you $1. So now let me just tick those we are actually done with. So we are done with this and this. So now coming over to the final one on our list, which is actually called the micro lot. So the micro lot, just as every other one, there is also divided by 10. It's also the mini lot divided by 10, and this is 1,000. So if you take a look at it carefully, divide here, divide here, divide here, will actually break it down to 1,000. So if you are trading with a micro lot, it's simply telling you that you are trading at a very safe level, whereby even if a pip should move against you, you will hardly notice the deduction if you are trading with a huge account. So assuming over here you are trading a 1,000 units of a particular currency, so that's directly telling you that it's simply your standard lot divided by 100. So if 1 is divided by 100, meaning you are getting 0.01, and this has actually gone down. So 1 pip movement over here will not give you up to $1 anymore, but 1 pip movement will be equal to 0.1 $0.1. So this is what you're actually going to get. So if you take a look at it carefully, it was actually a dividend of 10. So $10 divided by 10 will give you $1, and then $1 divided by 10 will give you $0.01 because it's a movement of 10, which is 10 backward. So this is simply the idea of mini lot and micro lot. So if you are trading, you can go above this 1 lot size of the standard lot, which is defined automatically. That's, for example, if you are trading on MetaTrader, you can simply go onto your settings, and I'll be creating a video on that. If you need it, you can let me know down in the comment section. So the faster you request for a video, the faster you actually get it. So all these videos I'm creating was actually recommended by some of my subscribers on my Telegram channel, so you can actually join them to know more. So for example, taking a recap of everything we just did right now, starting with the first one, which is standard lot. A standard lot is simply 100,000 units of a particular currency, and 100,000 units of any currency you are trading will give you 1 lot size. And that 1 lot size directly resonates that 1 pip movement will be $10. So this could be $10 added to your profit or $10 deducted from your trading, depending on the direction you are trading. And then for a mini lot is simply 10,000 units of a particular currency that you are trading. So if there is 10,000, if you are buying 10,000 shares of a particular currency, then a movement in it, which is if you are using the standard 0.1 lot size, meaning 1 pip, would directly give you $1. So now coming over to the final, which is micro lot. So we have other brokers that give less than this micro lot, but I don't advise it because you won't even notice if you are making profits or not. So even with let me say $1,000 account, you can be trading this standard lot, provided that you know what you are doing, so that you don't go and burn up your account. You don't even need up to $1,000 to trade a standard lot. You can even use $200, $500 to make sure, as long as you trust in your analytics, there's nothing you cannot do with it. So this is simply the idea of lot size here. So you can take a screenshot of whatever thing you are seeing here when it comes to understanding lot size. This is simply everything about lot size. Standard lot is 10,000 units, and that standard lot is one lot, and one pip movement in a one lot trade is $10, whether in your profit or against you. Mini lot is 10,000 units of a currency, and that is 0.01 lot size when trading. And one pip movement will give you $1. And then micro lot, in the other hand, is 1,000 units of a currency. So one pip movement is simply 0.01. One lot, the standard lot for it is simply 0.01, and one pip movement in it will actually give you $0.1. So you can simply take a look at it here, and then in your next trade you actually get everything done correctly, so that you don't go and make any mistake whilst trading. So hope you find this video helpful. So don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like this video, and tell me what you feel down in the comment section. So don't forget to join our Telegram channel as well, as I'll be dropping a lot of helpful tips there also. So don't forget to join the Telegram channel to get more ideas related to trading, and also answer possible questions to the group that has been linked to the channel. So with that already said, have a nice day. Bye.